Hello everyone, today we will present about IP shop. IP shop or the full name is Industrial Plumbing Shop. This shop we will learn about welding. Essentially, welding is divided into main type, gas welding and arc welding. First, arc welding. What is arc welding? Sheet-metal arc welding (SMAW), also known as manual metal arc welding (MMAW). Flux-sheet arc welding, or informally as stick welding, is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable electrode covered with flux to leather wheel.
Arc welding is a type of welding process using an electric arc to create heat or melt and join metal. A power supply creates an electric arc between a consumable or non-consumable electrode and the base material using either direct or alternating current. How does it work? Arc welding is a fusion welding process used to join metal and electric arc from an AC or DC power supply. Create an intense heat of around 6,500 Fahrenheit, which melt the metal at the joint between two workpieces. The arc can be either manually or mechanically guided along the line of the joint, while the electrode either simply carry the current or conduct the current and melt into the weld pool at the same time to supply filler metal to the joint. Because the metal reacts chemically to oxygen and nitrogen in the air when heated to high temperature by the arc. A protective shielding gas or slag is used to minimize the contact of the molten metal with the air. Once cooled, the molten metal solidifies to form a metallurgical bond.
Gas welding. What is gas welding? Metal can be joined in many different ways. Gas welding is one of the most important ones because of its scope of application. Gas welding is one of the oldest forms of heat-based welding and remains the go-to option for many industries. The reason why this welding technique had a great fun fact is because of its ease of and low-cost nature. Carrying out welding process with gas welding and relatively easy and doesn't necessarily require expert welder. When a fuel such as acetylene is used, the flame can reach up to temperature of 3,100 Celsius.
This temperature is lower than that we get from an arc welding machine, but the advantage, such as cost savings in the form of simple equipment and labor, make gas welding the best choice for repair and construction work. How is gas welding done? As we discussed earlier in the article, gas welding is all about heating the ends of the materials to a point that they melt and fuse. To achieve this feat, the welder must have a piece of equipment that can create high temperature flames. Gas welding ticks this box using the combinations of oxygen and highly flammable gas. Most commonly, oxygen is mixed with gas like acetylene, hydrogen, gasoline, propylene, butane, and others.
And the equipment for welding: welding cap, safety glasses, dust masks, laser welding jacket, gallet type welding, glove welding helmet, laser apron, long pan, laser spat, high top laser work boot.